Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TOSIN. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. In this video, I'll be showing you the construction update of the Yaba train station and its overpass as at February 2023. This is one of the stations on the red line corridor. The red line is a 37-kilometer line that runs from Agbado and terminates at Marina, Lagos, Nigeria. Our main focus today is the Yaba train station, the Yaba overpass, and its integration to the Yaba bus terminal. As you can see from the video, civil work have been completed for the terminal and lots of finishing work are currently ongoing, and also there are construction going on the train platform. Almost all the stations on the red line seems to be at the same stage: Ikeja, Mushin, Oshodi, Yaba, etc. And they all have construction ongoing on the train platform. The train platform is where passengers alight and board the train. The red line is expected to commence operation before the end of the first quarter of 2023, so construction is expected to be completed before then. There is a pedestrian bridge here, like every other station on the red line, which will connect the Yaba train station from the bus terminal and vice versa. When completed, this will give passengers the option to pick from, either to take the train or bus, as the train station is built right beside the bus terminal. When completed, this is how the train station will look like. The overhead design will be the walkway linking the existing bus station to the train station, hereby making the movement from train to bus and from bus to train easier. The flyover will help to connect Muritala Mohammed Way to Ojuelegba Way and vice versa without passing through the rail track, hereby vehicular movement will not disturb or interrupt train movement. When completed, the red line will provide employment for thousands of Lagosians and boost the state economy to facilitate the movement of citizens across the states. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.